Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. Today we are going to draw a girl wearing a nice dress. So for this one, let's start from drawing the hair of the girl. For this, you can draw the top part of the hair like this. As you know, in this drawing, we are looking to the girl from the back side. So this is the line of the hair to the shoulder of the girl. Let's extend this one like this, and the top part of the gown we can draw another line like this and extend it here. In this point we are going to make a floral decoration. It's a part of the ornamentation or the part of the design. So the wrinkles we can draw like this, little more or less. Now we extend the line like this, and let's connect these 2 points. This is the waistline. We can draw the belt of the skirt. Let's extend the skirts like this. The extension at the bottom looks like this. We can extend the drawing like this. Let's draw the hands. Also we can draw the right hands. Top part of the skirt looks like this. Alright, so the outline of the drawing is done. Now we're going to put the shading on the drawings. Let's make the detailing on the hair. Let's use the pencil to darken the hairs on top and make a uniform dark shades for the head. After this shading, the hair is done. As you can see, it's complete. Now we are going to draw the top part like this. All right, let's put a orange color on this segment. Sometimes because of the stuffs we're using at the bottom part, we can see few texture on the color, so it's no problem. This is the shades at the bottom. Okay, So let's draw the orange shades at the bottom. We can draw the red color for the waistline, and we can put the shades on the skirts like this. Let's put darker shades, hard strokes at the beginning, and make the lighter strokes to the center. Draw like this. Okay, let's draw hard strokes from this point and lighter strokes to the middle. As you know, this is the repetition of the same thing again and again, so we need to have patience and do the steps again and again. Have patience, doing things nicely. Let's fill up the bottom part of the drawing with a whole bunch of color and join the middle section with few lines like this. Okay, so you can see the drawing is almost complete. Few more shades along the wrinkles with the pencil. We can draw like this, also along these wrinkles. Let's fill up the other two like this. Alright, so this is the drawing. It's done. I hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel and stay with us for the next new episodes. More videos are coming, and all the interesting drawings you are going to find in this channel, Blue Hands Drawing. Please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.